I hope you all are getting my voice, and also I am visible to you. First of all, reply it and then come to the journal entry. First of all, in journal entry, what you have to do, date, then particular, then LF, then amount. You have to write here date, particular, LF, amount, debit amount and credit amount. Here, this is the format. In this format, we have to show. Let me check. Someone is wanted to entry. If someone wanted to take entry, then I will discuss. Yes, I know my voice is quivering because of I am quite far from it. Clear? So it may take. My voice may not be clear because of distance. But look at that I'm passing the entry for it. First, on application money receipt. First entry will be bank account debit for the receiving of application money to equity share application account. And you have to pass the narration being application money received. What amount you have to write here? The amount of issued share. It means, look at that, I am doing the calculation of it also. 30,000 into how much the application money? The application money is 3 rupees. So 30,000 into 3. This will be 90,000 application money receipt. And then transfer of application money to capital account. The entry will be equity share application account debit to equity share capital account being application money transfer. Clear? The amount will be the same which we have received. Clear? This is the two entry for application. Then next for on allotment. On allotment, let me check. Someone wanted to take entry in it. Nobody is there. If anybody wanted to take entry, because I have started my work, it will be difficult to find out who wanted to take entry. So let me finish it. Those who will come, they will wait. On allotment, first entry for due. Due entry will be equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. Clear? money due. How much is the due here? 30,000 into how much on allotment? There is rupees 3 on allotment. 30,000 into 3 will be 9,000. And when application allotment money due, the next entry will be allotment money received. That entry will be bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Paying allotment money received. How much same amount will be here? 90,000 and 90,000. This is the 2 entry for allotment. Is it clear to everyone? Is it visible to all of you? Okay. Now come to the next on first call. Look at that first call. First entry, same will be followed which is in allotment. So first due entry will be there on first call. Entry will be equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Amount will be 30,000 into how much called on first? 2 rupees. So 30,000 into 2, it will be 60,000. Clear? Its narration will be the same which I have passed in allotment, being first call money due. Next, receipt entry, bank account debit to equity share first call account. Amount will be the same which is in due. That is 60,000, and the narration will be also same which is in at the time of receipt of allotment money, being first call money received. Is it clear? This entry is visible to you? Okay, good. Yes, it is visible. Now the next 2 entry will be for final call account. Company has also called final call. So entry will be equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. Here amount will be 30,000 into, here is also called 2 rupees. This is 60,000. So 60,000 I am writing here. Narration will be same. Paying final call money due. Next, bank account debit to equity share final call account. Same amount will be there, 60,000 and 60,000. Narration will be also same, paying final call money received. Clear? These all entry are visible to you? Yes, it is visible. Now, 2 more entries are required. That entries are for share issue expenses, and one more entry that promoter has given some amount of shares. Clear? So the next 2 entry will be Look at that. I'm writing at the top because it is not visible. So, so let me erase the first two entry and then I will write the next entries. But it will be better to write that entry at the top. At the top for share issue expenses 2468. 9 number entries share issue expenses account debit. Share issue expenses account debit to bank account. Whatever the amount which have been paid as expenses, and the last entry will be for promoter payment. The entry will be incorporation cost account debit. Incorporation account debit to incorporation account debit to equity share capital account. What amount? The amount is written there. That is expenses. Expenses, that is 8,000, and this is 40,000. Clear? Look at that, all of you. Now it is visible to all of you. Okay. First two entry I have written for in the column format. First two entry I have written for application. Next two entry I have written for allotment. Next two entry I have written for first call. And the next two entry I have written for final call. And this last two entry 9 and 10 I have written for the expenses paid by company for flotation cost. That is share issue expenses account debit to bank account, that is 8,000. And number 10, it is for incorporation expenses and issued capital for them, shares for them. So incorporation account debit to equity share capital account. These entries are required when shares are issued at par. This question I have already been given to you. Thereafter, I have solved it. So, it is clear to all of you. Clear, everybody? Now, when you see the entry, this is at par. This was the at par when shares are issued at par. But when shares are issued at premium, generally by default, premium is included with the allotment. And that premium entry will pass with the due entry of allotment. What you have to change with the share issued at premium, you have to change only at the due entry, that equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. You have to change only one thing, to security premium reserve account. One more thing you have to add at the time of premium, to security premium reserve account, SPR account.